Today we are going to build a live streaming web app using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You will be able to start a stream as a host, share a link and let anyone join as an audience, all in your browser. We will use a free tool to handle the video and audio part so we can focus on building the app itself. By the end, you will have a fully working live streaming site you can try with your friends. Before we start coding, let me give you a quick demo of what we are about to build. When you open the app, you can either start a live stream as the host or join someone else's stream as the audience. As the host, your camera and microphone will be on and you will see yourself live on a screen. You will get a special link you can share so anyone can join instantly. No downloads, no complicated setup, just a browser. Viewers will be able to watch your stream in real time, hear your voice clearly, and even chat with you directly during the broadcast. That means you can answer questions, take feedback, or just have a fun conversation while streaming. On top of that, you can share your screen live, perfect for showing a presentation, coding tutorials, or anything else you want your audience to see. The audience experience is super smooth too. They can watch, listen, and chat. By the end of this, you will have your own live streaming web app to host events, teach, collaborate, or just hang out with friends online, all built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So the magic behind the live streaming app we are building today comes from a platform called ZegoCloud. Now, if you have never heard of it, think of ZegoCloud as a toolkit for adding real-time communication features to your apps or websites without having to build all the complex technology yourself. At its core, ZegoCloud lets you add things like video streaming, voice calls, video calls, in-app chat, and even interactive features like screen sharing or co-hosting, all with just a few lines of code. One of the coolest parts, it's not limited to one type of app. People use ZegoCloud for online classrooms, virtual events, gaming chats, customer support, remote work meetings, basically anywhere you need people to talk, see each other, or share content in real time. When you visit their website, you will see they have a bunch of products. Live streaming, perfect for hosting events, webinars, or just going live with your friends. Voice and video calls for one-on-one or group calls, kind of like Zoom, but you control the design. In-app chat, so you can add text messaging inside your app. Real-time co-viewing and co-listening. Imagine watching a video together with friends online in sync or listening to music at the same time. Interactive features like screen sharing, co-hosting, audience engagement tools, and more. The great thing is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel or spend months coding these features from scratch. ZegoCloud gives you pre-built UI kits, APIs, and SDKs so you can focus on customizing the experience instead of worrying about how to make the technology work. And if you are a beginner, don't worry, they also provide ready-made examples, documentation, and test environments so you can experiment for free before you go live with your app. So today we will be using ZegoCloud's live streaming kit to create our own web app. That means all the heavy lifting like real-time video transfer, chat synchronization, and streaming quality is handled by them, and we just connect it to our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript project. By the end, you will see how powerful this tool is, and you might get ideas for using it in your own projects too. Alright, so before we start coding, the first step is to sign up for a free ZegoCloud account. Just head over to their sign up page. I will put the link in the description. Here you will find out some basic details like your name, email, country, and a password. Nothing too complicated. And here's a cool bonus. When you create your account, ZegoCloud gives you 10,000 free minutes to try out their services. That's plenty of time to test, experiment, and even build small projects without paying a single cent. Once you finish the sign up, you will be taken to your ZegoCloud console. Now, I've already signed up before, so I will just log in and show you what it looks like. Inside the console, you will see all the tools and products they offer, along with your usage stats, project settings, and API keys. This is basically your control room. It's where you create new projects, manage app IDs, get your secret keys, and configure everything you need for your live streaming app, video call, voice call, or whatever project you are building. So let's go ahead and create a new project for our live stream app. Alright, now that we are inside the ZegoCloud console, let's go ahead and create our live streaming app. From the dashboard, I will click on create new project. I've already got two test projects here, but let's create a fresh one together so you can see the full process. I will name it something like my live stream app and select the platform we are building for. I am going to start with the UI kit because it makes the process super quick. It already has the core features built in, so we just focus on customizing. Once the project is created, ZegoCloud gives us two really important things, the app ID and the server secret. These are like your keys to unlock all the live streaming features. I will show you where they go in the code later, but for security reasons, I will be hiding my actual app ID here. So if you see a blur, please ignore that. Next, we can download the starter kit for the UI kit. This comes with all the basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files ready to go. I've just downloaded mine, and when we open it, you will see the default code. Right now, it's pretty bare bones. It works, but it's not styled and doesn't look exciting. waiting. We are going to fix that. I will create a separate folder for our custom project, and in there we will take the starter code and our app ID and server secret into the JavaScript and then style everything with our own purple theme so it looks professional. By the end, we will have a fully working live streaming web app that not only works in the browser but also looks awesome. Alright, now let's set up our project. First, I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. You can name it whatever you like. I will call mine live stream app. Inside this folder, I'm going to place the index.html file from the UI kit starter kit that we downloaded earlier. This file already has the basic code for our live streaming app. Now I will open this index.html in my code editor. I am using VS Code, but you can use whichever editor you are comfortable with. Here's the updated code we will be working with. Right now it has a sample app ID and server secret just as placeholders. I will be adding my real app ID and server secret later, but remember, never share those publicly because they give full access to your project. The app will run as it is, but visually it's pretty plain, so let's improve it by adding styling. We will use a purple theme for a clean and modern look. I will style the background, text and buttons so it feels polished, more like a real web app than just a test page. Once that's done, our live streaming page will look much better. Now that we have styled everything, the only thing left is to add the real app ID and server secret so we can actually go live. Okay, now for the fun part, let's actually run our live streaming app. I've already added my real app ID and server secret inside the index.html file. Remember, you will be use your own keys from the ZegoCloud console and keep them private. I'm going to open the file in my browser and here it is. Our live streaming app running live on the web. Now, I'm not going to share my camera or microphone for this demo, but I will walk you through what's possible here. You can go live as a host and have people join as audience. Viewers can chat with you in real time during the stream. You can even share your screen while live. The interface works on desktop, tablet and mobile, and because it's just HTML, CSS and JS, you can host it anywhere like Vercel, Netlify or even your own server, and that's pretty much it. A fully working live streaming web app built in minutes using ZegoCloud's UI kit. So to wrap up, today we created a new project in ZegoCloud, downloaded the UI kit starter, updated it with our own keys, styled it in a nice purple theme, and now we have a working live streaming app. Before you go, I would love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me what's the first thing you are gonna build with this? A gaming stream, a coding session, or maybe a live online class? If you found this helpful, hit the like button so more people can see it, and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.